All right, we'll kickstart this edition with some news just coming in, and this is a mega India Today impact. The case has been filed against the Pune minor in the accident horror. A case has now been filed against the minor and the pub in question that served him liquor. Cops have added culpable homicide charges against the minor. The father of the minor has been booked as well, is what we've been given to understand. Case against the minor and the pub in question that served alcohol, in fact, to the 17-year-old, who is in fact an accused in the Pune accident case, where two people on a bike were killed instantly after being hit by the sports car which was speeding at over 150 kilometers per hour. The minor who killed the couple in Pune, remember, was released on bail just 14 hours after the accident.
एक्सीडेंट की घटना में हमने 304 आईपीसी तहत गुना दाखिल किया था। ये जुवेनाइल था, इसलिए हमने कोर्ट को एप्लीकेशन किया था कि परमिशन दी जाए ताकि इसको एडल्ट की तरह ट्राई किया जाए। कोर्ट ने ये परमिशन रिजेक्ट किया था। आज हम उस आदेश के विरुद्ध डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट में अपील कर रहे हैं और कोर्ट के आदेश के तहत कार्रवाई की जाएगी। जो उसके फादर हैं या जो एस्टैब्लिशमेंट जिसने अंडर एज होने के बावजूद लिकर सर्व किया, उनके विरुद्ध अलग से जुवेनाइल जस्टिस एक्ट के तहत गुना दाखिल की गई है, जिसको क्राइम ब्रांच तपास कर रहा है। गाड़ी उसके फादर के नाम पे थी, नंबर प्लेट क्यों नहीं थी, नंबर प्लेट कब इशू हुई थी, टेम्पररी नंबर प्लेट कब तक थी और कब वो किस सर्कमस्टांस में बिना नंबर प्लेट के गाड़ी गैरेज से बाहर निकली, ये सभी विषय पे हम तपास कर रहे हैं।
लेकिन ये गाड़ी किसके नाम पे थी?
गाड़ी इसके फादर के नाम पे थी, एक्यूज्ड के फादर की नाम की थी।
My colleague Omkar is getting us more details on that story. Omkar, now at least culpable homicide charges have been pressed against the accused here, a 17-year-old. The father has been booked. The pub in question which served alcohol to the 17-year-old also is in the wrong and has been booked.
Exactly. Pune police has launched FIR against his father, who allowed accused to go out and do party with his permission, and also when he was driving, like we can see in the CCTV, how fast he was driving his Porsche on the road. The couple was taking turn throughout that from the road, and Porsche just crashed them. So there are 2-3 names which are mentioned in the FIR. First, the Vishal Agrawal, father of the accused, who allowed him to go out even after knowing that his son is a minor. Secondly, there are 2 names mentioned. One is a manager who belongs to that specific hotel where the boys were having party, and secondly, the bartender and also the bar manager who served them liquor. So basically, all 3 boys were under 18, and still, even without taking any permission or asking any identity card, they served liquor at the midnight, and that is why police launched case against all 4 people.
Right, I'm going to thank you for the moment, Omkar, for getting us up to speed with those details. Remember, we are referring to this horrible accident that has taken place in Pune. A minor was behind the wheels. He recently killed a couple in Pune. Released on bail just 14 hours after the accident took place. Vidya, in fact, also is getting asked more details. Vidya, the CCTV pictures here hold some important clues, including the manner in which this car was overspeeding. But several questions remain unanswered. How was he served alcohol without the identity card being produced? What about the father here who's given a 17-year-old access to a car to allow him to drive it? That too is illegal.
We have to understand that under the Juvenile Justice Board, the only thing that the JJB really looks at is the age of the child and whether there is a crime which is considered as heinous. In this particular case, it's really not considered a heinous crime, and that's one of the reasons why this child or the minor who was driving the car cannot be really tried as an adult. Although the Pune police have said that they are trying to move an application before the Pune Sessions Court Board, they'll try to make sure that, you know, this kid is tried as an adult, and it will finally be for the court to decide whether the kid will be tried as an adult or not for the crime that he has done. But the Pune police have also registered an FIR. Remember, this is against the father. They want to state that because the father is the one who's handed over the key, was not responsible enough to make sure that the high-speeding car was not taken away by the minor child. That's one of the reasons why they are trying to make sure that an FIR is registered against the father, and you know, so that someone is held accountable for the 2 deaths that have really happened on the Pune street last night.
All right, I'm going to in fact thank you for the moment for getting us those details, Vidya, with that detailed report on that accident that took place in Pune on Saturday. India Today has also accessed the CCTV video of the deadly accident where the luxury car can be seen speeding through before ramming into the two-wheeler. A 17-year-old was driving a Porsche car when it hit the deceased's two-wheeler on Saturday evening. After hitting the bike, the car crashed into the roadside pavement railings. Later, Pune police reached the crash site and took him into custody. It also has requested the court to treat the accused as an adult here. However, the request was rejected and the accused here was granted bail with a few conditions. The bail conditions for the 17-year-old are to write an essay on the car crash, help traffic police for 15 days, take counseling to get rid of drinking. Along with that, helping the families of the victims in the near future. Additionally, the parents are to ensure that such an offence is not repeated again, and they have been asked to keep the accused away from bad company. The 17-year-old has been asked to study traffic rules and submit a report on the same in 15 days.
ते लोक टू व्हीलरवर यू-टर्न मारून आहे ना या साईडला जात होते. त्यांनी एवढ्या स्पीडने यांना ठोकलं ना, ती मुलगी अक्षरशः ना वरती उडून खाली पडली होती आणि तो मुलगा डायरेक्ट ती लाल कलरची स्विफ्ट होती ना त्याला धडकल्यानंतर तो जागेवर इथं बसला होता. त्याच्या पूर्ण बडकऱ्या पॅक झाला, त्याला उठताच येत नव्हतं. 3 मुलं होते, दोघांना भेटले आणि एक मुलगा जसंच मागणं बसलेला होता तो उतरून पळून गेला. नंतर त्यांना मारून पोलीस आले, गाडीत बसवलं. नंतर तो मुलगा आला शेवटी, जो पळून गेला होता, मग त्याला पण नंतर गाडीत टाकून घेऊन गेले.
कल्याणी नगर या ठिकाणी एक अपघात झाला. या अपघातामध्ये 2 जणांचा मृत्यू झाला. पल्सर गाडीवरून जात असताना मागून एक गाडी येऊन त्यांनी त्याला डॅश केले. ही पोर्शे गाडी होती. त्याच्यामध्ये एकाला आम्ही ताब्यात घेतलेलं आहे, मेडिकल आणि पुढच्या फॉर्मॅलिटी सुरू आहे. नाही, याच्याबद्दल पोलीस तपास करतायत. प्रथमदर्शनी तसं वाटतंय, पण मेडिकल करून त्याच्यानंतर जे सर्टिफिकेट येईल त्याप्रमाणे योग्य तपास करेल. एक आरोपी आपल्या ताब्यात आहे.
What's caused outrage in this case is that the bail conditions appear to be bizarre. But remember, this is the minor who we are referring to. We also know that this was a 17 years, 8-month-old person who's the accused in this case. Here are the bail conditions. Write an essay on the car crash. That's bail condition number 1. Bail condition number 2 is that help traffic police for 15 days. Bail condition number 3 is that take psychiatric counseling, essentially to get rid of the habit of alcoholism or drinking alcohol. Bail condition number 4 is help the accident victims in the near future, whoever it is. Bail condition number 5, parents to ensure offence is not repeated. Bail condition number 6, parents to keep accused away from bad company. The other bail condition, which is number 7, accused to study traffic rules and submit report in 15 days.